Hi everyone, many Windows users only use the snipping tool for basic screenshots, unaware of its full set of features. With it, you can take delayed screenshots, create freeform snips, record videos, extract text from images, and more. If you only use it for simple screenshots, here's what you miss out on. First, learn the different snip modes. Most users stick to the default rectangular snip mode, which allows you to draw a rectangle around the area you want to capture. However, the snipping tool offers 3 additional modes that many overlook. The freeform snip mode lets you draw any shape around the area you want to capture, making it ideal for irregular or custom-shaped screenshots. Similarly, the window snip mode lets you capture a specific app window, such as a browser tab or program window, while the full-screen snip captures your entire screen, which is especially helpful for multi-screen setups. To use these snipping modes, expand the snipping mode menu, choose your desired mode, and take your screenshot as usual. Second, use the time delay feature. Capturing drop-down menus or context menus can be tricky, as they often disappear when you press any key. The time delay feature solves this issue, giving you extra seconds to prepare your screen. To use this feature, select your snip mode and expand the Delay Snip drop-down menu to choose between 3, 5, or 10 seconds. Once you've set the delay, activate the snip and arrange your screen within the given time, enabling you to capture dynamic elements with ease. Third, try the annotation tools. The snipping tool includes annotation tools to enhance your screenshots with highlights, drawings, or text. Use the pen or highlighter tool from the toolbar to mark important areas. If you make a mistake, the eraser tool allows you to remove unwanted elements. You can also crop images to focus on essential parts. These tools are perfect for making quick edits without needing additional software. Customizing pen thickness and colors adds a personal touch to your annotations. Fourth, record your screen easily. The snipping tool isn't limited to screenshots. It also supports screen recording. This feature includes options to record voice and toggle system audio, offering a streamlined way to create tutorials or presentations. To use it, select Record in the top right corner, click New, and choose the area to record. Hit the Start button, and the tool begins capturing. Stop the recording with the red button, and your file is automatically saved for easy access. Fifth, edit screenshots in Paint and videos in Clipchamp. For advanced edits, you can export screenshots directly to Paint from the snipping tool. After selecting Edit in Paint, make your changes and save the image. For videos, export directly to Clipchamp, Microsoft's video editor. Clipchamp allows you to merge clips, add audio, and use filters or transitions, making it a versatile tool for beginners and professionals alike. Sixth, extract text from images. The snipping tool now includes optical character recognition, OCR technology, letting you extract text from images. This feature saves time by converting handwritten notes or printed content into editable text. Import an image, click Text Actions, and the tool detects and highlights text areas. Select and copy the text to paste it anywhere. You can also use the Redact feature to hide sensitive information in your images. Seventh, enable HDR Screenshot Color Corrector. If you use an HDR monitor, the snipping tool's HDR Screenshot Color Corrector enhances the vibrancy and accuracy of your captures. By default, this feature is off. To enable it, open the snipping tool, go to Settings, and toggle on HDR Screenshot Color Corrector. This adjustment ensures your screenshots match the immersive display quality of HDR monitors. Eighth, get to know snipping tool shortcuts. The snipping tool offers time-saving keyboard shortcuts. Use Win plus Shift plus S to open the snip mode directly or take multiple screenshots in succession. Pressing Win plus PRTSC captures and saves the full screen, while Alt plus PRTSC captures the active window. These shortcuts make the tool more efficient for frequent use. The snipping tool is more than just a basic screenshot utility. It's a versatile tool with features that cater to a variety of needs. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and tips, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest features.